You know, the idea of transitioning to a plant-based diet can feel overwhelming at first, right? I mean, it's like standing at the edge of a cliff, looking down at the vast unknown below. But what if I told you that jumping into this new lifestyle doesn't have to be a leap of faith? Instead, it can be more like a series of small, manageable steps that lead you gently into the world of plant-based eating. So, let's break this down together and explore how you can ease into a plant-based diet without feeling like you're giving up everything you love. First things first, let's talk about why you might even consider this transition. The health benefits are pretty compelling. Plant-based diets are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You know, all those things that make your heart happy and your body function at its best. Plus, there's the bonus of weight management. Many people find that when they shift towards more plant-based foods, they naturally consume fewer calories and less saturated fat. It's like a win-win situation for your health. And let's not forget about energy levels. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling lighter and more vibrant, fueled by whole grains, legumes, and fresh veggies. That's what a balanced plant-based diet can do for you. Now, if you're like me, you also care about the planet. The environmental impact of our food choices is huge. By choosing plant-based options, you're contributing to a lower carbon footprint. It's like giving Mother Earth a little hug every time you skip the steak. You're also helping to conserve water and land, which is vital in a world where resources are becoming scarcer. And let's not overlook the ethical side of things. By reducing your demand for factory-farmed products, you're taking a stand for animal welfare. It's about making choices that align with your values, and that feels pretty empowering. So, how do you start? Here's the secret. Start small and be gradual. Maybe you've heard of meatless Mondays? That's a fantastic way to dip your toes in the water. Just one day a week where you explore plant-based meals can help build your confidence in preparing them. Or you could aim for one plant-based meal a day. Breakfast is a great place to start. Think oatmeal topped with fruits or a smoothie packed with greens. The key is to reduce, not eliminate. This way, you're making changes that are sustainable and easier to adapt to. Now, let's talk about substitutions. This is where the magic happens. You can swap out animal products for plant-based alternatives without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Ever tried almond or oat milk instead of cow's milk? It's a game changer. And when it comes to meat, think tofu, tempeh, or even lentils in your favorite dishes. Trust me, you won't miss the meat when you're savoring a hearty lentil taco or a flavorful stir-fry with tofu. And for those of you who love baking, there are so many egg substitutes out there. Mashed bananas, applesauce, or flax eggs can work wonders in your recipes. But don't forget about the meals you already love. This is where you can really have fun. Take your favorite spaghetti dish and swap out the ground beef for lentils or mushrooms. Or how about a stir-fry? Replace the chicken with tofu or tempeh. It's all about one-for-one substitutions that keep the essence of your favorite meals while introducing new flavors. And speaking of flavors, don't be afraid to explore. There's a whole world of plant-based ingredients waiting for you. Quinoa, chickpeas, and a rainbow of vegetables can add variety and excitement to your meals. Dive into cookbooks, food blogs, or social media for inspiration. You'll find plant-based recipes that make your mouth water. And remember, spices are your best friends in the kitchen. They can elevate a simple dish into something extraordinary. Garlic, ginger, tahini, and nutritional yeast can transform your meals into flavor-packed experiences. Now, as you embark on this journey, it's crucial to focus on balanced meals. Make sure you're including plant-based sources of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Think legumes, whole grains, avocados, and a colorful array of fruits and vegetables. And don't forget about calcium and B12. Look for fortified plant-based milks or consider supplements to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Planning and prepping your meals can make a world of difference. Set aside some time each week to prepare your meals and snacks. Batch cooking is a lifesaver. Make large portions of soups or stews and freeze them for busy days. And always have some plant-based snacks on hand, like nuts or hummus with veggies, to keep you from reaching for less healthy options when hunger strikes. Of course, there will be challenges along the way. You might worry about protein intake or feel overwhelmed in social situations. But remember, you're not alone in this. Look for plant-based options when dining out, and don't hesitate to ask for modifications. And if cravings for your favorite animal-based foods hit hard, seek out plant-based alternatives that mimic those flavors and textures. There's a whole world of delicious plant-based burgers and cheeses out there waiting to be discovered. As you navigate this journey, set realistic goals for yourself. Celebrate the small victories, whether it's successfully going plant-based for a week or trying a new recipe. Connect with a supportive community, whether online or in person. Share your experiences with family and friends, and invite them to join you in this adventure. It's always more fun with a buddy. And finally, keep your focus on the long-term benefits. Remind yourself of the health improvements, the positive impact on the environment, and the ethical considerations behind your choices. Each meal you prepare is a step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. So embrace this journey, take it one step at a time, and enjoy the delicious possibilities that a plant-based diet has to offer. You've got this!